Lassa. Up front, Lassa. Right. Good. One more time. Go down. Go. Good. Right? Up front door. We're in a room right now. So that's the reason for the switching. Now let's run this drive because the challenge for you guys will not be shooting, will not be confident. Will be this. This is now like an MP5. You understand? This is the challenge. The advantage of
all of us armed and all of us coffee.
don't make a man too relaxed by remaining in the back and you rotate it. So I think the powers of a man now, 30 seconds you are alertness relax. 30 seconds you switch to maintain a level of alertness all the time. Stay forward, Selby. Good, Johan. Going direct, right? First man at all time direct. Last man going where?
Right.
Right. Second man going
Left.
Good. Fellas.
Turn that left.
There we go. There we go. Go. Up, Jason. Up. Go. Take your time.